Hello and welcome back to Decubication. Today we're going to learn about tuples in Python. Tuple is an ordered sequence of objects that is immutable. Basically an immutable list. Declaration, empty tuple, empty parentheses, one element tuple, parenthesis 1, comma, parenthesis. If you don't include the comma, it will just be an int. Regular tuples, parenthesis 1, 2, 3, parenthesis. Tuple packing, assigning multiple values to a tuple. A equals, parenthesis 1, 2, 3, parenthesis. Packs tuple A with the values 1, 2, and 3. Tuple unpacking, assigning the values of a tuple to multiple variables. A, B, C equals parenthesis 1, 2, 3, parenthesis. 1, 2, and 3 are unpacked into the variables A, B, and C. Swap easily. A equals 1, B equals 2. A, B equals B, A. B and A are packed into a tuple and then unpacked into the variables A and B respectively. Functions with a variable number of arguments. Python's documentation on print. Star objects is a tuple of the variable number of arguments you've passed to the print function. You can name your variable star whatever and it will work the same. You must, though, declare all your positional arguments and then your star variable. Immutable, unless if a tuple is holding mutable types, those values can indeed change. You have a tuple holding two lists. You change the first element to 10, and then that list will indeed be changed. Ciao.